Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the big question everyone is asking, so let's get straight to the data. Consumer trust in AI for taxes is actually declining. As of January 2026, only 37% of tax filers said they trust AI over a human preparer. That's down from 43% the year before. People are becoming more aware of AI's limitations, not less. And when it comes to something as personal and consequential as their taxes, they want a human they can talk to. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects tax preparer employment to grow 5% through 2034, which is faster than the national average for all occupations. That growth is driven largely by retirements. Over 300,000 accountants have left the profession since 2020, and 75% of CPAs are approaching retirement age. The profession is losing people faster than it's replacing them. That's a demand problem that AI doesn't solve, because someone still needs to review the work, advise a client, and take responsibility for the return. And here's the piece that matters most for new preparers. Research shows that experienced practitioners get better results from AI than junior ones, because experienced professionals know when to override the output. Junior practitioners tend to accept AI-generated results at face value. That's a problem if the AI is wrong, and it's wrong often enough that blind reliance is definitely dangerous. So can AI replace tax preparers? It can replace a data entry function, and it's already doing that. But it cannot replace the advisory function, the relationship function, or the professional judgment function. Those are human skills, and they're the skills that clients are willing to pay for. The smart move isn't to fear AI, it's to learn how to work with it while building the skills that AI can't replicate. That's what we teach at MuseSpring. Check out MuseSpring.com. And as a quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. So if you have a specific legal or tax question, make sure you talk to a qualified professional about your situation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.